Understanding a bold move, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, a bold move. This expression is quite common in English, and understanding it can really add to your conversational skills. Let's dive in and find out what makes a move bold. A bold move refers to an action taken by someone that is surprising, daring, or unconventional. It often implies taking a risk or doing something that is not typical. When someone makes a bold move, they step out of their comfort zone to achieve something, despite the potential challenges or criticism. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal decisions to business strategies. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal life, deciding to move to a new country for a fresh start can be considered a bold move. 2. In business, a company launching an innovative product that is completely different from its usual offerings is making a bold move. 3. In relationships, confessing your feelings to someone when you're not sure they feel the same way is a bold move. Understanding synonyms and related expressions can help deepen your grasp of a bold move. Some synonyms include a daring action, a courageous step, a brave decision. Other related expressions: taking the plunge, going out on a limb, breaking new ground. This phrase is versatile and can be used in many situations. However, it's important to use it in contexts where an action is truly daring or unconventional. Overusing it for minor or regular actions can dilute its impact. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, a bold move. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and nuances they convey. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make your own bold moves in language learning.